Alright guys, today is December 23rd, 2022, and I gotta show you this. Look how crazy this storm is. It's windy, snowy, last night it was rainy. So, if y'all are under this, please be careful and stay safe. And we are probably gonna have a white Christmas, for sure. And, if you look, there's snow on the ground, and these winds are just picking up. Like, look, it's like blowing the snow around basically, and you know, it's been really windy today, really cold, really snowy, heavy, and all that. There's been a lot of everything going on, so I hope that me and everyone stay safe. We did get a lot of snow for sure, but not way too much. I think we're supposed to get more of it by sometime tonight or next morning or so. But that's what it looks like. Just look how, yeah, there it is, right there. Very crazy. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I am excited because tomorrow is Christmas Eve, and then after that day it'll be Christmas. So I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas, and thank you all for watching this video. Have a nice day.